In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change invoice template in Zoho. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each template category means, and how to switch to a design that matches your brand without breaking anything in your existing invoices. Start by opening Zoho Books and landing on the homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct organization if you manage more than one. This matters because templates are saved per organization, and you want your changes to apply to the right set of invoices. Give the page a second to load fully so you see all the navigation and icons. Next, look for the settings icon, the small gear typically found in the top or side navigation. Click that to open the settings area. This is the control center for how your documents look and behave. From here, head into customization. This section is where Zoho Books keeps everything related to the appearance of your invoices, estimates, and other documents. Inside customization, choose PDF templates. This is specifically where you manage the layouts used when invoices are exported or sent as PDFs. Once you're in, click New. Think of New here as Create from a gallery. You're not starting from scratch, you're opening a curated set of designs you can pick from and use right away. You'll now see template categories designed to help you quickly find the right style. Start by browsing the standard templates. These are clean, versatile, and work well for most businesses. They emphasize readability, straightforward totals, and a clear header with your logo and company details. If you want something classic and dependable, this is a great place to look first. Next, take a look at the spreadsheet templates. These are perfect if your invoices tend to be line item heavy and you want a grid-like appearance with clear columns and rows. They're great for technical services, detailed parts lists, or any scenario where clients need to scan lots of items and quantities at a glance. The layout typically feels familiar to anyone used to working in spreadsheets, which can reduce confusion for clients. Then browse the premium templates. These provide a more polished, modern aesthetic with refined typography and layout choices. They're an excellent fit when visual presentation is a priority, such as when you send invoices to corporate clients or want your documents to feel more branded. Depending on your plan, some premium designs may have additional style options. As you navigate these categories, focus on the essentials: how your logo area is presented, how item lines and totals are organized, and whether taxes, discounts, and payment terms display clearly. You're not changing data or invoice content here, just the look and structure, so you can concentrate on which layout communicates your information best. When you find a design you like, click the template to open its preview. This lets you see a sample invoice in that style so you can confirm the spacing, fonts, and the way subtotals and taxes are shown. If it looks right, click Use This. That tells Zoho Books you want to base your invoice PDF appearance on that specific design. You're nearly done. To finalize, click Save. Saving applies your chosen template to your invoices going forward. It won't alter invoices you've already sent or recorded, so you can switch designs confidently without affecting your history. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same area, explore other options, and save a different template at any time. That's all there is to it. Open Zoho Books, head to Settings, go to Customization, select PDF templates, click New, browse Standard, Spreadsheet, and Premium. Choose the template you like, click Use This, and then Save. With just a few clicks, your invoices can reflect your brand more clearly and make it easier for clients to read and pay. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to refresh your invoice style.